Hello everyone and welcome to today's video, and today we're going to be teaching you how to run your Runway Gen-3 Alpha without experiencing high demand issues. Now let's get into it. So first off, most people don't have an account, but I do, but it's not really the paid versions like the demo, but click on it anyways. Try the demo. That's what most people use nowadays. So once the page is loaded, you can either click start here or you can click whatever options you choose at the bottom. So now we move on, and while we wait for this to load, you'd see that on the bottom it shows, for most people, mine, it shows nothing because my laptop is good enough to carry it, but for most people it shows experiencing high demand issues. To solve that, you would have to go to this icon up here, that you click on it, then you choose between Gen-3 Alpha Turbo or Gen-3 Turbo. Now the thing is, Gen-3 Turbo is paid for. That's the only other option you have. You would have to pay for Gen-3 Turbo, and here are the prices for your Runway Alpha Gen-3. Now you'd have to upgrade to standard for more access. When you upgrade to standard, then you would be experiencing less high demand issues. So I hope you liked this video. Hope you got the advice. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I will come back later.